morning, our listeners. Welcome on our video today. We are dealing with biology. This is Form 3 work. We have questions and answers for you here. We request you to watch this video up to the end. To the subscribers, we want to thank you guys for your support. Question number 1. Classify the domestic dog Canis familiaris into following taxonomic unit. Phylum, it belongs to Chordata. Class, it belongs to Mammalia. Question number 12. Compare the number, size, and distribution of stomata in a mesophyte and floating hydrophyte leaf. How are the stomata in terms of number, size, and distribution? In the mesophyte, they are fewer. In hydrophyte, they are more. Size, they are smaller. In hydrophyte, they are larger. Their distribution they are in both the signs. In a mesophyte, in hydrophyte, they are on upper side of the leaf. Number 13. State the advantages of dropping of leaves of a plant observed on a hot, dry day. What are the advantages of the plant dropping leaves during a hot and dry day? And the answer is to reduce exposed surface area, hence reducing transpiration. The advantage of dropping leaves on a hot day by a leaf is to reduce exposed surface area, hence reducing the rate of transpiration. That's why you see a plant dropping the leaves when it is very hot and dry. Some may see and say the plant is dry. However, the plant is not dry. It is just a mechanism to reduce the rate of transpiration. Number 14. The diagram below represent a cell organelle from a plant cell of a plant growing in the light. You can see there, that one is an organelle, organelle from a plant cell of a plant growing in a light. So this organelle is removed from a plant which is in light. Identify the organelle. You are told to identify the organelle, and that organelle is chloroplast. That organelle is chloroplast. And then you can see you have parts X and Y. Which parts are those? From your book, write down in the comment section. Write for us what is that part labeled X. Also write for us what is that part labeled Y. Question number B, you are told, how does the structure of the organelle above differ with that of the plant growing in dark? That one was from light, and now you asked how does the structure of the organelle above differ? How will it be different if a plant is growing in the dark? The one growing in the dark has more grana and more chlorophyll. Number 15. State one external features observed in a cockroach. You know the cockroach. People hate them so much. Cockroach, what you see outside, the external parts are legs, wings, and thorax, abdomen, antennae. Which is the name of the biological study of cockroach? That one is entomology. Entomology, the study of cockroach and other insects. Question number 16. Study how anaphis 1 differ from mitotic anaphis. You are told homologous chromosomes separate and migrate in anaphis 1, while sister chromatids separate and migrate in mitotic anaphase. Number 17, what is the importance of the light dependent stage? We are going to answer that question after this short break. I kindly request you to subscribe to this channel if you have not yet subscribed. We are coming back for the other part of this video. Looking at number 17, what is the importance of the light dependent stage in photosynthesis? Synthesis of ATP to be used in the dark stage, production of hydrogen atoms to be used in the dark stage. Those are the importance of light dependent stage. Question number 18, study the photomicrograph below that shows of a part of a cell and answer the questions that follow. You can see it there, very clear. You can see some part labeled there, and you are told name them. You can see it there. That one is nuclear pore. And B, you are told state the function of the part labeled N. You can see N there. N is nucleus. Number C, using a scale given in the photomicrograph, calculate the actual width Y of structure. With the Y, you can see it there, and this is the formula. You are told 2 centimeter equals 1 micrometer. What about 1.8 centimeter? You do your calculations like you have seen we have done there. Question number 19, Ascaris lubricoids. Ascaris lubricoids is a endoparasite. Name the genus to which it belonged. Belong to Ascaris. State the habitat of the organism. That thing stays in human being, that is man, sheep or pig. It can live on those 3 habitats: human being, sheep and pig. If there is any point you want to write down there, you can write for us. Any opinion, any comment, we will deal with it. We shall review all the comments and respond. Number C, state 2 ways in which the organism is adapted to living in its habitat. Number 1, has tissue that tolerate low oxygen concentration in gut. Number 2, has thick hand cuticle to prevent it from digestive enzymes. Next, eggs are incised to both survive adverse conditions and hot enzymes and host enzymes. Next, has a muscular pylorus for sucking digested food. And then the last one, produce enzymes to counter the enzyme hosts. This is how it is adapted. Ascaris, this is how it is adapted to its habitat. Next, mention 2 ways of preventing spread of parasite. How can you prevent the Ascaris from spreading? Number 1, washing hands after visiting the toilet. Number 2, washing of vegetables. Number 3, thorough cooking of food if suspected to be contaminated with eggs or the worms. Next, proper disposal of feces. And then the last one, proper treatment of water. We are through with this video. We thank you so much for watching. We request you to write for us a comment. You can write a comment, you can write your opinion, you can also write a video you want us to deal with, and we shall immediately deal with it. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, kindly take this opportunity, subscribe, hit that subscribe button, like button, and we shall appreciate. Until next time, goodbye for now.